Hi guys, just been going through my camera drawer where I got lots of old cameras, and I got my old mini camera here. I've just charged it up. I remember it's very low resolution, but I just wondered whether this little drone could actually carry the weight, because it struggles when I put the slightly bigger one on there. So I'm just going to give it a little fly around in the kitchen here. We've just had our dinner, so I should be doing the washing up, but I'm going to fly my drone round just for a few seconds so I can look at what sort of resolution we get. So, have the camera on. I think there's still some charge in here. I was flying it earlier on. I think there's enough there. Yeah, got enough there. Let's see if we can get the camera on. Little button there, lights on, press it. I'll have to press it for 2 seconds. 1, 2. I can't remember this one. I think that's taking single pictures. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's flashing now. Yeah, I think we're in video mode. Charge that battery. Oh, that's annoying. I was hoping we could get just a couple of seconds flight. Well, that might be enough anyway, just so I can compare the resolution on that little camera. So we'll unplug that, turn this one off again. Right, that's stopped filming, I think. Hold it in. Come on, you're supposed to go out, I think. I might have to dig out the instructions. Oh dear. Well, we'll find out. We'll see if we've actually recorded anything. Held on with blue tack. I'll take that and put it on charge anyway. Right, that'll do. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.